Here it is, 50 tons of road base graded on a 5-inch downslope, which is drastic, but the drains will be cut down to the right height, obviously, and it is a French drain, so it'll work off the bottom. But this is what it is, 50 tons after graded. Surprisingly, putting in 50 tons with the Bobcat, me and one guy, only took about 6 hours total grading it and everything. Digging it out took 3 days with the Bobcat. It's almost 30 yards of dirt. This is you can see over there, so that section and this section, total length is about 90 feet by 20 feet wide. I'll take you over here. This has still got a little grading to do. We added a couple scoops. But again, this is going to be, this area here is actually going to be about a 3-inch drop from here to there. It's going to drop down there 3 inches. That's that. This is cement that was in place already. It's got to be cleaned up.